The ultimate source of culture is the company's founders. When they started the organization, they had a vision in their mind of what it should be and what it would become in the future. Their values, beliefs, assumptions, and norms also became part of the organization. Then the founders attracted, selected, and retained other employees who thought and felt the same way they did. Once hired, those employees were indoctrinated and socialized into the founders' way of thinking. Because new organizations are usually small and the founders are in charge, it's relatively easy for their ideas to be imposed on the other organizational members. Finally, the founders themselves act as role models. Their behaviors reinforce the organization's values, leading members to identify with them and internalize their beliefs, values, and assumptions through their own behaviors.